Here is a Classic Breeze 12-inch oscillating table fan, model CT-1216. I picked this up at a sale about a year ago now. This is from the year 2000. It's in pretty good condition. There's no rust on it at all. There's actually a little story about this, not this particular fan, but a fan that we had years ago. It was a Classic Breeze stand fan, and it was one of my most earliest childhood fans that I remember. I think this was from like 2009 or 2010. And I remember I would take that stand fan in every room wherever I would go, like in the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen. I would take that stand fan everywhere I go. And I really liked that fan. One day though, the stand, it came off, and me being as a little kid, I thought it broke, but now, I realized that it could have been just put back on and screwed back on, no big deal. So I asked my dad if he can fix it, but he ended up just throwing it away. He didn't like me playing around with it anyway, so I thought he probably took this opportunity to just get rid of it, because he didn't like me playing around with the fan. But yeah, so eventually I do want to find that stand fan again. Not that particular one, but that particular one's long gone now. But I do want to find a Classic Breeze stand fan someday, because that is one of my most earliest childhood fans that I remember. I did find the table fan for this though. Now I just need to find the stand fan. That's what we had years ago. So anyway, I'll go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. Here's the front. How I remember, like when I was a kid, I didn't even know how to read that well, but I do remember particularly the wavy lines, and there was letterings on the top and bottom. And when I saw this, it just brought me back that, wait a minute, that's that fan that we had years ago. It's that same style of badge. So I definitely got that. Definitely got this fan. Of course, now I'm just looking for the stand fan of it now. It's the speed controls. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the bottom. All 4 rubber feet are still intact. Here's the informations. And there's the UL sticker. January of 2000. Polarized plug, of course. Alright, plug this in, and we'll start with low. really nice and quiet, and it blows a really good amount of air. Alright, go to medium. And high. It's a really nice fan. All three speeds are quiet and it blows a good amount of air. Turn on the oscillator. Now, I think I remember the stand fan of this Classic Breeze fan that we had years ago. I remember the oscillator on there did not work for some reason. I remember that the pins spin, but it never actually oscillated. Turn that off, and I'm going to turn off the fan. And there you have it. Classic Breeze 12-inch oscillating table fan, model CT-1216. And hopefully eventually I'll be able to find the stand fan version of this.